Today I will show you how you calculate the actual amount from the percentage discount. You can generally see at the store, at the supermarket, they discounts not in a dollars, they always discounts in percentage. So uh, I will I will show you how to convert percentage into dollars. So it's percentage to dollars. Let's take few example. Okay, let me make you clear about what is percentage. So a percentage means out of 100 or in 100, a part of 100, or simply you can say out of 100 or a part of 100. So this is the symbol of percentage. Generally it symbolizes at the percentage symbol is out of 100, what you get out of 100. Suppose if anyone say you 10%, then this is 10 out of 100. If anyone says you 25%, this means 25 out of 100. But yeah, it's easy if your total price is 100, and if anyone says 10% discount, it's simply 10. If anyone says 25% discounts, it's simply 25. But it's not generally the case. The cost price or the cost may be any number. So now I am giving you a trick how to calculate a percentage quickly. So let's move forward. Let's take some example. So I will give you some example how to calculate percentage. So if you have any number, suppose let's take that number 180. This is the cost. Suppose you have a cost 180 and they give you, let's suppose they give you 15% discounts. So I will here show you the different way of thinking about the percentage discounts, but let me go straight. If you have any costs, it's simplest to calculate the 10% of that one. So how to calculate 10%? The 10% is always equal to the cost if you divide it by 10. So if cost is 180, just divide it by 10, and the dividing by 10 simply shifts a decimal points at last digit. So here is a simple rule to divide by 10. So what happens? It shifts one decimal to left. So here number is 180. If you divide it by 10, then just give a decimal point here. 180 divided by 10, this is, or simply you can write 118. If you have a number 1 2 3, if you divide it by 10, then it will be give you number 12.3. So just give decimal at the last if you divide it by 10. So you need to shift decimal one digit left. So similarly you can divide it by 100. you need to shift decimal by 2 digits. So let's go back here. So you are trying to calculate 15% 15% discount of this one. So uh, it's easy to calculate the 10%. Once you calculated the 10%, so 10% I already told you is just divided by 10, so it becomes 18. The 100% is the total, this is 180. The 10% is 18. Then you can know simply the 5% should be half of 10%, 9. And then you can calculate the 15% should be 27. Yeah, that's the easiest way. So then you know the 20% should be double of 10%, 18. It should be 36. And the 30% should be 3 times of 18. In this way you calculate any percentage. I will give you more trick. Always it is useful. 25 means 1 quarter. 25% means 1 quarter. 1 quarter. 50% is always half. 75% 3 quarter. So okay, again the number, again here the number is $180. So its 50% should be 90, half, right? So 25% is 1 quarter, that means divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 is becomes let's 445. And 75%, this is always 3 half, sorry 3 quarter. So 3 times a quarter, 145, 45, 45, 135. This is the general way to calculate. I mean, if you think like this in your mind, you can calculate a percentage quickly. But the actual mathematically, it is more easy. To calculate the percentage. Okay, let's go how you calculate percent. I already told you the 10% means out of 100. So if you see percentage sign, just replace by this percentage sign by 100 by 100, like this one. These are the equivalent expressions. If you see 10%, then this is 10 out of 100. If you see 20%, this is 20 out of 100. So now let us go back our number. The number is 180. The cost, let's say the cost is $180. Now you need to calculate 10% discounts. It is simply divided by 10. It's 18, as I told you already. But here I'm going to show you how to calculate mathematically. So it's just multiply this 188 by 10 by 100. So this will gives you 18, right? Similarly, 20% you can calculate 180 times 20 by 100, this gives you 36. And any percentage you can calculate by using this formula, like 50%, this is simply 180 times 50 by divided by also. There is some problem with my writings. Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry, it's not 180, it's 50 divided by 100, so it will give you 90. That's the way to calculate the actual cost from the percent.